Best ties. No need for complicated instructions. Just follow simple steps to achieve beautiful results. Ideal for family projects or individual crafting. You can choose from various kits depending on your needs and experience level. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's a kit for you. Dive into the world of tie-dye and express your artistic side. Brighten your day with homemade designs. List number: Tulip OneStep Tie Dye Party, 18 pre-filled bottles. Dive into creativity with the Tulip OneStep Tie Dye Party Kit. Perfect for group fun and artistic expression. This all-in-one fashion design kit includes 18 pre-filled bottles. Each bottle bursts with vibrant rainbow colors. Easy to use, mess-free design ensures a smooth tie-dye experience. Create unique patterns on shirts, bags, and more. Ideal for parties or family bonding. Advantages: fun and easy for everyone. This kit makes tie-dye simple. Create colorful designs with no mess. Pre-filled bottles save time. Perfect for group activities. Friends and family can enjoy together. Everyone gets involved. Creative bonding moments. Wide range of colors available. 18 vibrant bottles included. Endless design possibilities. Express yourself freely. All-in-one kit convenience. Everything needed in one pack. No extra supplies required. Stress-free preparation. Encourage creativity and self-expression. Unique fashion designs made easy. Show off personal style. List number: Tulip OneStep Tie Dye Kit Party Supplies. Create vibrant designs with the Tulip OneStep Tie Dye Kit. This kit includes 18 bottles in rainbow colors. Perfect for parties or family fun. It makes tie-dyeing easy and exciting. Simply add water, shake, and apply for dazzling results. Ideal for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Enjoy hours of colorful creativity with this all-in-one kit. Advantages: perfect for parties with its 18 vibrant color bottles. Easy to use, even for beginners and kids. Safe, non-toxic dyes ensure a worry-free experience. Colors stay bright, wash after wash. Encourages creativity and fun for all ages. List number: Tie-dye kit. Tie-dye set for kids. 12 vibrant colors
pre-filled tie.
Discover the joy of creativity with this tie-dye kit. Perfect for kids and beginners. Create colorful masterpieces with 12 vibrant pre-filled dye bottles. Safe and non-toxic, it ensures a fun and worry-free experience. The easy DIY instructions make fabric art simple and enjoyable. Unleash imagination with every swirl and splash of color. Advantages: encourage creativity with 12 vibrant colors for endless designs. Kids can explore color combinations and patterns, sparking imagination and artistic expression. Safe for young artists. Non-toxic dyes ensure a worry-free crafting experience for parents, making it perfect for children. Easy DIY setup with pre-filled bottles. Simplifies the process, allowing kids to focus on creating rather than preparing materials. Long-lasting colors ensure designs stay bright. Enjoy durable, permanent results on fabric items, keeping memories alive. Great for group activities or parties. This kit provides a fun, engaging project for kids to enjoy together, promoting social interaction and teamwork. List number: HTV Tie Dye Kit. 32 vibrant colors, pre-filled bottles. Tie-dye dye kit. Brighten your craft projects with the HTV Tie Dye Kit. This kit features 32 vibrant colors in pre-filled bottles. Perfect for both kids and adults. It ensures fun and creativity. Just add water for easy use. Non-toxic and permanent dyes make it safe for large groups. Ideal for parties, family gatherings, or school events. Advantages: create vibrant designs with 32 colorful pre-filled dye bottles. Just add water. Perfect for big gatherings. Kids and adults love it. Non-toxic formula ensures safe use for everyone involved. Peace of mind. Easy setup encourages creativity without hassle. Dive into artistry. Ideal for parties or crafting events, a fun group activity. Permanent dyes keep your creations bright and lasting. No fading. List number 5. Doodle Hog Tie Dye Kit for kids and adults. 36 large. Discover the joy of creativity with the Doodle Hog Tie Dye Kit. Perfect for kids and adults alike. This kit includes 36 large bottles with 12 vibrant colors, easy to use even for beginners. Great for large groups, parties, or family fun. Everything you need is in the box. tie-dye powder, soda ash, and gloves. Unleash your imagination and make unique designs effortlessly. Advantages: create vibrant designs with ease using Doodle tie-dye kit. The kit offers 36 large bottles, perfect for group activities. Enjoy experimenting with 12 different colors for endless creativity. The included gloves and soda ash ensure a mess-free experience, ideal for both beginners and experienced tie-dye enthusiasts.